Hey guys, today we have with us here the Mulo Wonderloop 500 wireless neckband earphone with Bluetooth 5.0. Before unboxing, let's take a look at the box itself. The box is pretty slim and has got a pretty decent color combination of green, white and black. On the back of the box, you see the specifications of the neckband. The headphones are IPX7 certified water resistant. Now let's open up the box. The box slides off pretty easily. Inside the box, you're greeted with a brown box which says the Mulo logo and Wonderloop 500 on top of it. Now let's open up this box. Inside the brown box, you are greeted with the headbands itself. Under the black plastic layer that encompasses the headbands, a micro USB charging cable, an extra set of silicone ear tips which are soft and comfortable, and the user manual. Now coming back to the headphones. The ear tips are magnetic. This keeps them together even when taken off. The silicone ear tips are also pretty soft and comfortable. The headband seems pretty flexible and made of durable and sturdy material. The headphones have got a 10mm speaker driver which gives out a deep bass sound. On the right hand side of the headphone, you can see an inbuilt mic. Behind, you can see the power button and the volume controls. Alongside, you will see a cap with a Bluetooth logo which covers the micro USB charging output. On the left hand side of the headband, you see the Mulo logo, and that's about it. These neckbands have also got a vibration alert feature which helps avoid any missing calls when the earplugs are not plugged into your ears. So yeah, that's it. That was the unboxing of the Mulo Wonderloop 500 wireless neckband earphone with Bluetooth 5.0. Thanks for watching and goodbye.